finally, number 32. This one is listed as a medium level question, and we can do this one. It doesn't have imaginary numbers. I would not consider this an easy question, but we can do it. So let's see what we have. If f of x equals 3x squared minus x, what is f of x minus 1? So f of x minus 1 is what they want us to evaluate. Here is our generic equation. And here is the equation they want us to calculate. So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put an x minus 1. I'm putting a binomial term in there for x. Everywhere there's an x, you're putting x minus 1. And then we have to evaluate the problem. So we will expand it to look like this. And I'll show you why I'm doing this. And here's what I'm expanding. My pen is failing because I do not have maybe enough power. Let me see. Nope, I've got enough power. I think the silicone tip is wearing out. So here is x minus 1 squared. I've just expanded that right here. Another thing that you would have to be very careful of is this negative sign in front of this binomial. So that will actually expand to 3 x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus x plus 1. Those two minuses will make a plus. Okay, clearly we have a situation with those two x minus 1 terms. I'm going to FOIL those terms. So let me highlight that for you and we'll do the foiling. So this multiplication I'm going to FOIL. So I'll bring the word over here. And I like to write my terms just so I can see them. The first term in each of those is an x. So we'll have x times x, which is x squared. The outside terms are an x and a minus 1. So we have negative 1x. The inside terms are negative 1 and x, or negative 1x. And the outside terms are negative 1 and negative 1, which will give us a positive 1. So then I have, this is minus 2x's. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. That's what I get with the FOILing of that two binomials. And then we need to put the rest of our problem down here. I need to distribute the 3 through to the trinomial. So I get 3 times x squared minus 3 times 2x plus 3. And then don't forget about these terms. I can combine my x's, so I would have 3x squared, negative 6, this is negative 1. That's negative 7x. 3 and 1 make 4. And that would be my answer. So 3x minus 7x plus 4 looks like B as in Bravo. Again, they call this a medium. I would call that pretty tough. But whatever you call it, your answer is B, as in Bravo.